Hey, adventurers! Have you ever seen a big, dark storm cloud in the sky? They look so mysterious, don't they? But what secrets are hiding inside those puffy giants? Let's find out what makes them rumble and flash.
Deep inside a storm cloud, it's super chilly, especially high up. It's filled with tiny bits of ice, like microscopic snowflakes, and little drops of water. They're all floating around, having a grand old time.
Now, imagine those tiny ice and water friends are playing bumper cars. They zoom around and crash into each other over and over again. All that bumping and rubbing creates something super cool, just like magic. Have you ever rubbed a balloon on your hair and watched it stick up? Or shuffled your feet on a carpet and felt a tiny zap? That's called static electricity. All that rubbing and bumping in the cloud builds up the same kind of energy. When those ice and water particles bump, they steal tiny pieces of energy, called electrons. This makes the top of the cloud become positively charged, like the plus side, and the bottom of the cloud gets negatively charged, like the minus side. It's like a giant battery in the sky. When there's too much minus energy at the bottom of the cloud, and the ground has plus energy, bam! That energy has to go somewhere. It makes a giant, super fast spark called lightning. It's nature's biggest electric show. Lightning is so incredibly hot and fast, it heats the air around it quicker than you can blink. That superheated air expands with a giant push, creating a powerful sound wave. And what do we call that loud noise? Thunder. It's like a giant drum roll from the sky. So, thunder and lightning are caused by tiny ice and water particles bumping, building up static electricity, and then making a giant spark and a loud boom. Isn't nature amazing? Remember, if you hear thunder, lightning is near, so stay safe inside. What an electrifying adventure!